Guys, back again to our tutorial. So we are done with the dashboard, the inventory list, the categories, the clinics, deleting items, vendors, single requests. Here we stop the single request. So today we go to the multiple requests. So we will see how many new item they are requesting to the admin. So clinic 2 they are requesting for 3 new items. So let's see, it is linked. So these are now the new items he is requesting. So we have also the supply request. This is the RFQ. So if we can send request to supplier, we will add. So this item, which vendors and who requested it, and what's the note, and what is the status of this RFQ. Okay. So let's go back. You can see the total item they are requesting a new item. So clinic balance, you can see how many item they took. You already transferred to them. You can see how many quantity, and we have also the patient cost. So the patient cost is for the if the clinic have used one item to their inventory, it will be patient cost. I will explain you I will teach you later how it will make this one. And we have the security, we have the change password if you like to change your password, and we have the log out button. So I think this is all the menus of our system.